We're going to use the sprocket now to get into the front part of our calf. If you're having any type of shin splints, a big reason why is that this muscle's it's got a bunch of gunk between the shin and this muscle, so we need to get in there and clean that up. Okay, so one, lack of strength in this area. Two, maybe tons of overuse, so maybe you've been training for too hard. And then three is that possibly also your calves have either one, trained too hard, two, lack of training, and we need to get into this area. So we want to combine that. We want to combine strength training with some light massage to help with bringing healing to the area, recovery, and helping allow those muscles not get stuck together, which then would cause shin splints. Okay, grab the beads. I slowly pull apart. This comes off, no problem. Slide that on, slide these on, make sure that's spaced just a little bit so it can move freely. So if I press all the way down, it's not moving freely. I just pull up just a little bit, now it moves freely. Now, same thing, I can bring my hands, what I like to do is I bring my hands a little bit closer and I'm using a little bit more of control with my thumbs on my shin, on my calf area, and I'm just doing these little roll down where each sprocket is hitting and kind of digging in. I'm working my way back up, searching for any tender, tight areas. And so now at this top part right in here, if this is a tender area, it hasn't been giving me any issues, but if it's tender, it's potentially on the route of giving me issues. So by me doing this, this is also helping with maintenance. Staying in this spot, just trying to get in there. Remember, not to aggravate it, so I just need to listen to my body. And this pressure is about, for me right now, it's about a 3, 4, nothing too crazy. But remember, if it's a pressure that's like really intense, back off from it. We don't want to be too crazy that we actually injure ourselves. We want to find that feels so good pressure that's about a 5 out of 10. So right here, I found a tender spot that I can stay here. It's about a 5 out of 10. Now I'm gonna focus on breathing and focus on relaxing that muscle. All right, tell that muscle to relax. It's okay. You're telling your nervous system, it's okay, relax. Let's clean this area up. And then I like to incorporate some ankle movements. Get this muscle moving while it's under pressure. Under pressure. Sorry, I won't sing for you. So I'll do that a couple times and then I'll move to a new area. All right, so give that a go. See how that is, especially doing this right after your training or even lightly right before your training, then you can be able to see some nice relief on that front calf.